Welcome this video. Smart gardening inspired transforming tiny space into a lush retreat. Not everyone have of land to build to inspire gardening paradise, but just become your limited own space do not mean you have a you should space build or even paradise into your gardening. Face smart gardening can often become the more charm functional and created spotted in an home, whether you work with balcony, country art, backyard, the key line in smart design, create plan, and when how to maximize given inch which plot smart gardening inspire that create layout idea gardening color theme and more everything you need to turn human tiny gardening into a lush and love him. Think various maximize a product space. When you do have space to your go out to up various gardening is one of the most effective way to unique limited gardening space by add various structure you to only save gardening space but also created level in various antigen idea for various gardening wall plant attached post or plants box to French wall trellis for overhand or paglo for a cottage full effective for overhand Paglo, plants like jam, those add weight and physicalling. Constrain gardening, mobile and fix. Constrain are a smart gardening, but friends now only do then allow for mobile and easy renovation, but then also work well in all cases for space, rooftop, window scale, patio, or balcony. Type of constrained gardening group by height and tax, mixed talus, mid and plants use colorful plants add lush of personal and do the eyes. Pours or use mix level plants should to grow of hub in a compost phase. So water planting, gardening for use people when want low maintenance gardening. Constraint gardening allow you to easy without to promote change, make it professional for the 10 or gardening. Smart layout make even inch when work with a smart space plants before you start plants retain layout of your plants area.